Hi boys and girls, welcome back to the channel, or if you're passing through for the first time, welcome. So today, little quick video walk round because this was a bike that we've got for sale. It's a Harley Iron 883, nice low mileage, nice set of Vance Hines slip-ons on there, fantastic colour, and we're just going to walk around it, no edits. I want to stick this camera absolutely everywhere, and then we'll run it up. You can have a listen to it, see if you like the sound of it, see if you like the bike. Not an instructional how-to, but there's not a lot of instruction you need for one of these, but anyway. Some more modern Harley, of course, 883, and being the year that it is, you get rubber-mounted engines and fuel injection, so much easier to live with, keyless ride, all that kind of thing. It's a 2019 bike, but let's have a look at it, see what you think. So, let's start at the front, and first off, I think we mentioned it, but look at the colour. It's a fantastic colour. It reminds me, it's a reminiscent of sort of a Screaming Eagle colour or an old school Harley colour, and it looks absolutely lovely on the bike. I've not seen one like this before, so maybe you have. Drop it in the comments down below, tell me where you saw one. It's always interesting to know, but yeah, that's what we've got. Coming around, you'll see the engine on these. It's all blacked out with just the chrome push-rod tubes, and all the matte black engine finish. Just looks ace. Black finish on the pedals, black finish on the air filter, everything just blacked out against that orange. Looks fantastic. That's like a graphite inset. Old school Harley-Davidson logo on the tank there. And if you've not ridden one of these 883s, I know sometimes some people think, oh, it's XYZ and it's the small one, it's the baby one. Go ride one. I absolutely love them. I have a Road King myself, owned it 20 years, and I love the thing. But if you ride one of these little 883 Sporties, you're having a hoot. You really are. So 69 plate bike this. I'm just looking as I'm peering around the corner. 69 plate bike, so it's between September 2019 and March 2020. So it's one of the last. You can't get Sporties anymore. Well, you can, but they're horrible new ones. These are your traditional sporty like this with the 883 and the 1200 engine. You've got adjustable back shocks on there. These were brought in, I think, about 16. So you can adjust them for your preload and what have you. Integrated LED rear tail light and indicators. They look cool. Single seat. And again, look at the sparkle off that. If you can see it. I think the camera will show that up. And then as we come around this side, again, really what we're showing you is the condition of the bike, because that's what you want to know about, isn't it? Harley tender cable down there. So if you've got a battery tender, save you faffing about under the seat and stuff. But yeah, we're just showing you basically what the bike condition is like, what it sounds like, which we'll get into in a minute, and then look at the reflection in that paint. Tell me that's not nice. Drop it in the comments down below if you've got any sporty stories, because we always want to hear them, and we do appreciate all you guys that drop by. Helps our algorithm. We're just a family little business, 3 of us here, and we intend to be here for a long while. We've been here a long while so far. So again, coming around the front, the indicators, little headlight, little thing on the top of the headlight there, that's your sporty sort of signature. Fork gaiters, which not only look cool, but they also protect your investment, stop you getting stone chips and what have you, down the fork legs. And then up the top of the tank, you've got the alley filler cap, and then just an analog, nice speedo. What else do you need? Everything you need and nothing you don't. So that's your bike. What can we do for you on it? Well, if you've got a part exchange or something, nip to our website, realtoyshop.co.uk or .com, whichever you prefer. Have a look on there, Part X form, spookily marked up. Takes 2 minutes, get that info to me and I'll have a look at it, whatever you've got. And then if you need some finance, monthly payments, etc., give us a call in the office. Numbers are on the website. Speak to one of us because we need to speak to you about that, and we'll see what we can do for you, get you hooked up. Then we get to delivery. Well, here at the Real Toy Shop, we've always delivered all of our bikes, mainland UK, for nothing. Yes, we will start it in a minute, I promise you. Absolutely nothing. See that crazy orange, black crafter with the orange on it? Real toy shop, give us a hoot and I'll hoot you back. But again, go to the website. Spookily marked delivery is a page that tells you all the time frames, etc. If you're happy with that, yeah, let's go for it. If you're not, come and have a look at the bike. We implore you, come and have a look, see what you think about it. And then if you do like it, we can, you know, fetch it another day if you're coming on a rainy day or whatever, or take it with you. We'll talk to you. We've got a cup of tea, we've got a kettle, we've got some biscuits, usually if I've not ate them. Let's have a yarn. But if you absolutely can't get here, totally get it. We've done that many deliveries this week. Top of Scotland, we've been down to Brighton, we've been in Southampton twice, we've been to Bristol, we've been to Westbury. We have been everywhere the last couple of weeks. So, you know, we're getting low on bikes, but that's a good thing. Weather's been great for us all, and we should all enjoy riding our bikes in this weather. So just remember, we're happy to deliver wherever. So that's that then. Let's make a noise. Well, before we make a noise, regular viewers will know that before we make a noise, if you need permission off anybody, your mother, your brother, your dad or your lover, get that first, and then we can have a proper conversation about what we've got with the bike and everything else. That's how it kind of works. So, if you need permission, ask your missus first. Or grow a pair, just buy it, beg for forgiveness. Taking a look around, you'll see some of the other Harleys and stuff we've got in here. And other bikes as well. There's old Buell there and stuff like that. There's videos on all of these. Another Harley Road King, that one's coming up. And there's always videos coming up. So if you want to hear certain exhausts on certain bikes, just search the channel. And we've no doubt add that bike with that exhaust or whatever. Have a look. So now, let's fire her up. So, being a more modern Harley, and it's got rubber mounted engine, keyless ride, so that's your keyless bit, and that there, look, is the website if you get lost and you can't find Part X forms and delivery forms. So, keyless ride, that just needs to be near the bike. We press the on button there, that turns the ignition on, and there we go. 2,741 miles, I don't know what you're expecting, but that's what it is. And there she goes. ABS light, go and check one of my other videos and you'll see that's how modern bikes are. Just let that oil get round, she is warmed up. Doesn't that sound well? Really, really does. It looks an absolute picture, that bike. I love it. And before everyone gets on the, oh, it's revving a cold bike. I spent about 30 years as the chief engineer and it's warm. There's those cool lights, look. There you go. Does that not sound well? And that's it off. We can all hear ourselves think now. So that's your bike, that's your Harley Sportster 883 Iron. Absolute cracking bike, really is. So Matt, I need it, I want it in my shed, you've convinced me, what have I got to do? So number one, get on the website if you need a part exchange, get that filled in, I'll have a look when I can and I will come back to you, I promise. Number two, if you need some monthly payments, speak to one of us in the office on the numbers on the website, we'll talk you through that, see if you like them, we'll get it sorted. Number three, just get it paid for, let's get it in a van, let's get it to you as quick as we can. Thanks for watching, boys and girls. Like I said, we've got dozens of other videos, I mean literally hundreds I think, and YouTube will think you like that one, or this here playlist, but that one there in the middle, that's the one that shows support for our little family motorcycle shop and YouTube channel. So thanks for watching, we'll see you on the next one. Don't forget, ask your missus first.